Okay, so let's put these two matters on the record. These were matters that were scheduled at 10:10 today. Court has not received any other direction. It is, and let's see who this person is before I put them on the record. Okay, so I'm looking for Robert Stoudemire. Robert Stoudemire, or occupants at 5003 East Outer Drive, Unit A-205. I have a gentleman that's checking in. This is case number 213422035. Anthros Garden Apartments, Silverside Management LLC versus Robert Stoudemire and all occupants. Today is the day set for, it is set for a non-payment of rent case. Court's been presented with the proof of service on March the 5th. Service by attachment. He's attended at 5003 East Outer Drive, Unit A-205. It's the first hearing. Court's going to adjourn it to May the 5th at 10:10 a.m. This hearing is concluded. Okay, I also have case number 213422039. Just one second. I'm looking for Anthros Gardens Apartments versus Leroy Harris. Mr. Harris, Leroy Harris. This matter was scheduled for 10:20 today. Mr. Harris is attended 5017 East Outer Drive, Unit J103. He had service by attachment. Neither party appeared. Court's going to adjourn. It's the first hearing. Adjourn. See, attorney or defendant appeared. The new date is going to be May the 5th at 10:20 a.m. This hearing is concluded. Okay, so I have two people who are checking in now. Let's see who they are. Okay, so good morning, sir, with the iPhone. He's connecting. Miss Jasmine McMorris, good morning. What case are you on today?
It might have already got adjourned, Your Honor. I was on Great Lakes Property and Investment Services versus, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
And who are you, the property manager?
Yes, Your Honor. My attorney was Shannon Orsigi, and we've been bouncing around in 4 courtrooms this morning.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you on hold. You may have to speak to my court clerk about your date. That date is April the 26th, 9 o'clock. Have a good day. April 26th, 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
The iPhone. I have a person with the iPhone. Sir, unmute yourself and tell me your name.
Charles Wells.
What's your name?
Charles Wells.
Charles Wells.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Wells, your scheduled appointment was at 10 o'clock. I did give you a date. Counsel was here, but just a second. We're going to put it on the record.
Now, excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I went to the property manager today. They told me my time was at 10:50.
Told you what now?
I went to the property management today, this morning, to get the Zoom ID number. And they told me that my hearing started at 10:50.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
It did start at 10:50. It's 10:52. But I'll tell you what happened. So listen carefully. We're going to go on the record. This is case number 213422052 UC 900 Whitmore versus Charles Wells and all. Good morning, Mr. Wells. May I have your name, sir?
Charles Wells II.
Sir, you're the tenant at 900 Whitmore Road, apartment 110, Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a non-payment of rent case. It's the first hearing, and so the court has been adjourning all first hearings, okay? And so the attorney Asphalt was present, He had a number of courtrooms to be in. So what I did, because I was going to adjourn it anyway, I gave you a May 5th date at 10 o'clock. May 5th at 10. Now listen carefully. And I told him I was going to ask you, as I've asked every person that has appeared before the court today. Sir, are you working with any of the nonprofit legal organizations on, obtaining federal funding or legal advice?
No, however, the property management, yes, yes. I was talking with the property management today about, I think it was Sarah or Sierra or something of the sort.
Right. So we do have attorneys today that are available to speak with you about the program. Are you interested in speaking with one of the lawyers?
I am, but not at this very moment. Is there any possible way they can contact me at a later time?
I'll have to ask them and see. This is not a good time at this point, as serious as it is. Okay.
So,
Is there someone that can call me?
I'll
Well,
chime
I
in
mean,
for
I
just-
know you're smiling, but I'm just saying, okay. Who's available?
Well, Your Honor, this is Hillary Braley. Was this a non-payment case?
It's a non-payment, and Attorney Asphalt did appear, and
Okay.
he knew it was going to be adjourned. It's the first hearing. I gave the date of May the 5th at 10 o'clock.
Okay. So I would say, Mr. Wells, since this is a non-payment case, we're having a workshop this afternoon. It starts at 3. If this Wednesday doesn't work for you, we're having it every week on Wednesday. And I will turn off my camera. It's got the Zoom information on it. If it's too small for you to read it, let me know.
I'm gonna screenshot it. One moment.
Okay, it says call in. Call
Oh,
in.
oh,
929.
Hold on, no, it disappeared. Can you put it back?
So can you read it, sir? It says call in and write this number down, 929 205
909-205
6099.
6099. That's the number to call.
Now the meeting number is 944
944
8650
8650
4421.
4421.
Okay.
Yes.
And then the first one is the telephone number. The second one is the meeting number every Wednesday.
Yes.
Yes.
At 2:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, and if since you're using Zoom right now, you can use the meeting ID to just type in the meeting ID and you can Zoom right in. Okay.
You can put another one up. Not a problem. I screenshot it. Everything's all.
Okay, good.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I have another person who has checked in that says iPhone. May I have your name? Says iPhone, you.
How I talk?
Can I have your name?
Regina Smith.
Okay, Miss Smith, just a moment. Okay, so let me say this to you, Miss Smith. You had a hearing at, just one second. Miss Smith. Okay, Miss Smith, your appointment's at 11 o'clock. And we're waiting on, Attorney Asphalt was present. And Mr. Attorney Asphalt. I gave him a court date for you of May the 5th at 10 o'clock. Let me call your case, ma'am, and I'll explain it to you further.
For me, you said?
Yes, so let me call the case and we'll walk through it. So listen
Okay.
carefully. This is case number 21340, it's right there, 21342-055, UC 900 Whitmore versus Regina Smith, and all occupants. Good morning, ma'am. May I have your name?
Good morning. I'm Regina Smith.
And you're the tenant at 900 Whitmore Road, apartment 304?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, this is a non-payment of rent case. Plaintiff is seeking past due rents. It is a first hearing. And what that means with the first hearings is the court is adjourning all first hearings automatically. So I have adjourned this case to May the 5th at 10 o'clock. Now, the next question is, are you working with any of the nonprofit legal organizations in terms of trying to obtain funding?
No.
Okay, we do have some attorneys that are present today. Are you interested in speaking with an attorney about your matter?
Yes.
Okay. So do we have an attorney that is available to speak to Ms. Smith?
Your Honor, this is Hillary Braley again. If it's okay with everybody involved, it'll be the same as the last case where I'm going to refer her to the meeting this afternoon.
Okay, so Ms. Smith, listen carefully. And I'm allowing you to continue. I know you got a baby and you're trying to
I'm
control
sorry.
the baby. That's fine. I understand that. Okay, so listen to this. Can you see the screen that says rental assistant help for Detroit tenants?
It popped up and it went off.
Okay, it's up now. So let me just explain it to you. That was Attorney Braley. She's an attorney with the United Housing Coalition.
Mm-hmm.
And they're having a workshop this afternoon. The nonprofit legal organizations are having a workshop to inform citizens about it's called CR Workshop. That's the new federal funding coming available. You need to
Okay.
write this number down, and she's asking that you Zoom in at 2:30.
Okay.
Okay, so it says, since you can't read, it says call in, and it's area code 929
Mm-hmm.
205
Okay.
6099.
Okay.
Once you zoom in, they're going to ask for a meeting ID. The ID number is 944
Uh-huh.
8650 4421.
Okay.
Okay, so zoom in at 2:30. That's the check-in time. They're going to walk you through some programs and what have you. And I will see you on May the 5th at 10 o'clock.
May 5th at 10.
Yes.
For the numbers, the meeting ID, I just want to make sure I have this right. It is 944-865-04421.
That's correct. Is that correct, Attorney Braley?
Yes.
Let me
Yes.
ask Ms.
And I would say that
this.
if you're,
Go ahead. I was going to ask if she could screenshot it. Can you screenshot?
yes, absolutely. And all I was going to say too is that since you're using Zoom on your phone, you can just use the meeting ID number. Okay. The phone number is for if you have to call in if the Zoom app isn't working on your phone. Okay.
Okay.
So it's good to have both. But yeah, if you're able to screenshot it by all means.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day, Ms. Smith.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Your Honor.
Thank you. I have another person that just checked in. It looks like she left. Okay. So let's do the following. I have one matter at 11 o'clock, and that may have been, I didn't recognize it. Oh, that was Ms. Smith. So Ms. Smith was at 11. On Ms. Smith, that's correct. So that's our last case of the morning. Now I have one case with Proway Property versus James Williams, 163. Robert, did we get any dismissals? I have that one. It was scheduled for 11. So I got a few minutes. I'll give him to come. Attorney Max Maxivault. Okay, let's see who else we have here.
Your Honor, just to
Yes,
chime in. So I think it was Attorney Yosef that was subbing for Maximkoff today. I don't know if that was a case that was handled while he was still here.
No, we didn't handle it. I didn't write anything down for that one. That one was at 11. I didn't do anything on that one. So let's see. He'll probably come right back. I didn't put anything on my paper. Do you have something, Sonia, for the case number ending 9163?
Yeah, I'll check. You're checking.
Okay. Okay, so good morning. Oh, for Attorney LaFave. Okay, LaFave is here. Okay, so this is good morning, counsel. You're here, Attorney Cole.
Barrick.
Okay, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Okay, great. So I have two people that are checking in.
Yes.
And I assigned dates and times to your cases. So let's
Thank you, Your Honor.
see.
I apologize. It's been a crazy morning.
Oh, I understand. So 35, 035, and 039. Let me see who the people that just signed in. Yes, sir. Your name.
Kevin Mundy.
Mr. Mundy, just a second. Do you have a landlord tenant case today, sir?
I was already in the courtroom. They just they got lost me and they told me to come back. I was in Judge Coleman's courtroom.
Okay, so what you need to do, you're in Judge Garrett's courtroom. My ID is 433. You got to go back out and go to 432. So you should dial when it says meeting ID, it should be 360-432-00.
That's what I did.
Well, no, because
432000.
sir, I'm 432. I'm 433. So you misdialed, okay?
Okay, I'm telling you I didn't. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna call back out.
Have a good
All right.
day.
No, I don't see anything for him.
Okay, I didn't call it. Okay, I was trying to remove that gentleman. He removed himself. Okay, great. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's call your case and I'll tell you what has occurred.
Thank you, Your
So
Honor.
this is Andros Gardens Apartment, Silverside Management versus Robert Stoudemire and all occupants. Case 213-42035. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, William Philibert, P49466, standing in for the attorney of record, Nicholas Lefebvre, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff. This is a non-payment case and it's a first hearing.
And that's correct. And I did indicate that it was serviced by attachment. Defendant has failed to appear and he's attended at 5003 East Side Drive, Unit A 205. I gave that a May 5th date at 10:10. Now we have a gentleman that's been trying to get in all morning. I have no idea who he is. I've sent him a couple of chats. Oh wait, he hasn't responded. So if he does, counsel, and that's one of your cases, I'll give him the date.
Thank you.
May 5th, 10:10. Thank you. Your next case is case number 213-42039. Is Andros Gardens Apartment, Silverside Management, LLC versus Leroy Harris, Mr. Harris. And occupants, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Again, for the record, William Philibert, P49466, standing in for attorney of record, Nicholas Lefebvre, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff. And once more, this is a non-payment case and first hearing.
Okay, that's correct. It is. And Mr. Harris is attending at 5017 East Side Drive, Unit J103, has failed to appear. It is the first hearing. There was service by attachment. And so the court's going to give it a May 5th. So just a second. 10:10, May 5th at 10:20 a.m. And notice will go out to the defendant. So May 10th, 10:20. This hearing is concluded. And as I did indicate, we do have a gentleman that's trying to get in. If that is one of your client's tenants, we'll advise him of the date and also inform him about the nonprofit attorneys that are available for advice.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate your patience today and have a wonderful day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so I have two people checking in. Sir, on the Astro 4, can you hear the court? Robert, could you put a sign up for him to call? I sent him a chat. He probably can't hear it. Do we have our sign still posted or we left it in the other courtroom?
It's in the other courtroom, Judge.
Okay. Any way you could put something up? Well, just put a piece of paper up because it's a different phone number now. Just with the phone number saying, call this phone number. That'll be fine. Okay, I have another person